Tēnā koutou I te iwi whānui. By the time this episode goes live, my book will be in bookstores and hopefully in your hands. And so today, I am going to share one of my recipes with you, keke rahi pere me te kokonati, which is also called Louise slice. And I'm going to send this off to Bernadette. And Bernadette was nominated by her daughter. And she said that Bernadette is turning 73 and needs to be celebrated. So this Louise slice is going out to you, Bernadette. Happy birthday. So we all know a delicious Louise slice. We have a buttery base. I'm making a really speedy 5-minute raspberry chia jam to go in the middle, and then a beautiful meringue, and life is good. So let's get started. Koinei ngā kai, ka whakamahia e tātou. Here are the ingredients you need.
Kia kotahi rau whitu te kau karamu pataku tere tere, 170 grams of softened butter. Kia haurua kapu huka one, half a cup of caster sugar. Kia rua tōhua heki, 2 egg yolks. Kia kotahi kokoiti iho hu pere, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. He kini tote, a pinch of salt. Kirire mana pi rahi rahi, finely grated lemon zest. Kia hau wha kapu poe hukanga, 1/4 of a cup of corn flour. Kia haurua kapu kokonati, half a cup of coconut. Kia kotahi kapu poehu parawa, 1 cup of flour. I te tuatahi e te whānau, whakamahana te umu kia kotahi rau whitu te kau te pāmahana. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees. Add your pataku tere tere and huka one into a bowl. And you know the drill, smash it all together. Tā whiua mo te rima miriti. Want to whip this for 5 minutes. Make sure it is light and fluffy in colour and texture. Now we want to separate our eggs. We've got 2 eggs here. We're taking our tōhua heki and we're putting it into the butter mix, and then we're reserving our kahu heki, our egg whites, for our topping. Into the bowl they go, along with our iho hu pere, tote, and kirire mana pi rahi rahi. Tā whiu anō, whip it again, just for a minute or so, and then add in your poehu kanga, kokonati and poehu parawa. Whakaranu here, mix it to combine, and that is literally all you have to do to make the base. How good is that? And then into our lined tin we go, and I just prefer to do this with my ringa, my hands, and I just press it down, make sure the mixture is even. Pēhia te ranunga ki roto I te ipu keke. Just press the mixture down into your cake tin, or sliced tin of course, and it is ready to bake. Bake for 23 minutes in our preheated oven.
Ka pai e te whānau. So the way I like to make my Louise slice is as soon as I've got the base in the oven, I then turn to my tiamu rahi pere, my raspberry jam. And the way that we do this is we boil it really quickly for only 5 minutes. Then we add in the super ingredient, kakano chia seeds, and they thicken it as our base cooks, and then we just smush it onto our cooked base, and it is easy as that. So let's do it.
Kia rua me te haurua kapu rahi pere tio, 2.5 cups of frozen raspberries. Kia haurua kapu huka one, half a cup of caster sugar. Kia hauwha kapu waire mana, 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice. Kia rua kokonui kakano chia, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Me mahi tiamu rahi pere tātou. Let's make some raspberry jam. In goes your rahi pere tio, your huka one and your waire mana. Ranu mea. Mix it all together, and all we are doing, whānau, is just bringing this to the boil. We're going to boil it for 5 minutes only so that our huka one, our caster sugar, can dissolve and all of those beautiful juices can combine as one. Ka pai, and now we just sprinkle in our kakano chia while the heat is still going. Whakaranu here, mix it all in, and then just remove it from the heat. Our base is cooked and still very hot, and then we just pour on that tiamu rahi pere.
Ka pai I te whānau. So what we've done is we've poured that hot tiamu on top of our base, and what it does, the heat activates the chia seeds and allows the jam to set. Look. Oh yeah, perfection. So all we have to do now is make our kahuta hunga hunga, which is our meringue, and we're going Swiss meringue for an extra sturdy one. So let's get to it.
Kia toru kahu heki, 3 egg whites. Kia toru Kaiwhakaputa huka one, 3/4 of a cup of caster sugar. Kia haurua kokoiti creamy tata, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. Kia kotahi me te Kaiwhakaputa coconutty puti, 1 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut. Into a bowl goes your kahu heki, huka one me te creamy tata, and we are putting this into a bowl over a pot of barely simmering water, very barely simmering water, and you're just stirring it for around 3 to 4 minutes until the mixture is really loose, and it will look like that. And when you rub it between your fingers, there will be no grainy sugar feel. That's when you know it's ready and you can remove it from the heat. Kātahi, and then tāwhiuwhiua, whip it for about 5 minutes until a perfectly shiny, beautiful Swiss meringue arrives before your eyes. Now that, my friends, is perfect. We have stiff peaks, and now we can add in our coconutty puti, our desiccated coconut. As you can see, I've put some threaded coconut in there too, so you can mix up your coconuts if you want. And now all we do is put it on that luscious tiamu rahipere, raspberry jam, lob it on, and then I just like to smush it over with my pauka, with my fork. And then once you've got it relatively smooth, I like to rough it up and give it some little wavy action with my fork. And if you want to get fancy, you can pipe it. Now it's time to bake this puppy into the oven for 25 minutes. Louise slice, done.
Bernadette, you sound like such a wonderful mama, and I know right now you are surrounded by whānau celebrating your 73rd birthday. Nā reira he mihi nunui ki a koe I tēnei wā o tō rā whānau. A big happy birthday to you during this time, and I hope this Louise slice and the few extra gifts I am sending you just are the cherry on the cake in celebrating you. Kia koutou katoa. So excited to finally have these in stores, and I hope you're enjoying them. Please, if you have any pārtai about any of the recipes in here, just send me a DM on my Instagram and I would love to help you out. Nā reira, he mihi nunui kia koutou, mā te wā.
Sprinkle over some rahipere tauraki teo freeze-dried raspberries, and then it is time to slice up this beautiful Louise slice. That, my friends, deserves a thumbs up. Mai tōku kauta ki tō kauta, ki ki ana ki te aroha. Whakamahana, heat or warm. Whakamahana tia, warm it. Whakamahana tia te umu, heat the oven. Pāmahana, temperature. Whakamahana tia te umu kia kotahiro whitu te kau te pāmahana.